Hello Lisa, hello Miles. Jack Ettinger here, standing in front of Cascada del Amor, the waterfall of love. I want to give you a little bit of a tour. Lisa, let me thank you for the conversation this morning, but I thought it would be appropriate to let you see what I'm fighting for. So follow me. We're going to go through the tunnel of love. This is the first thing our people see when they walk in, the little glimpse. They walk behind the waterfall. We just had a couple of guests show up from Jacksonville, Florida. And looks like Nutho's made new friends, but this is the view that they get to see right away. They obviously do a pan around like I'm doing right now to see the rest of the facility. This is a very popular venue right here. Basically, people put their heads in the hole, become Tarzan and Jane, and we probably shoot 10 or 15 people doing that every day. Maybe now you have an idea how I lost 55 pounds, but feeling good, inspired. This is really a magical place, and I'm really anxious to work with you guys. I just ask for trust and belief, and I will not go down without a fight. I've worked too hard. This is my last hurrah, and I just appreciate your consideration of what's going on here on the mountain. And like I said in my email, if you decide to stay your current course, I respect that very much. That's about all I can say. I really look forward to having the opportunity to meet you guys someday and having dinner right here. This fabulous view, and this is my new dog, Nutho. Hey Nutho, Nutho, say hello. He's my guard dog, and he's basically a big baby. Anyway, thank you for your time.